Nice, you know.
Yeah, now all the water from this nala is going into the manhole. So my manhole, but that's why it was yes, all my land.
Where you from? Yeah, I am there. How long will it take? Now what?
This water is going inside.
Into the chamber?
Into the chamber, that's why. But I'm unable to take this water.
Big work or small work?
No, they have to break this gutter here, put a new pipe, encase it.
You have taken estimate and everything?
No. Let us inform you, in the last 6 months I'm struggling. I've searched for each and every kind I've checked.
How long will it take to do the work now?
1 or 2 days.
Only that much?
Yeah.
What do you want to receive?
टैंकर चाहिए अभी टैंकर का नहीं सर एवरेस्ट आदमी है किधर है वो उधर है मत लेबर एवरेस्ट
But can you tell one thing? Now work is going on desilting or what it is as far as rainy season is concerned?
Yeah.
So you have started everywhere or what it is?
No, so we almost finished everywhere actually.
Okay.
Now in Panjim also, when it rained, that sudden downpour, there were certain connections that had not been made between the smart city works. So that we had sent a letter to them some time back, and they had they've almost going to finish with the work now. I think out of 6 points, I think most 5 or 6 have, most of them have been done.
Okay.
So now we are taking up that road from Kundeka Nagar now to DB Road. That is that huge stretch as an old Portuguese drain that we are getting done and everything also. So mostly almost everything is done now.
What has been done here in this Mala area now?
No, so there was one issue with overflowing chambers for a couple of months.
Okay.
So basically there was an issue with I think one of the other departments had broken some of the pipes and had failed to inform the sewage department, so water is going into the chambers. So we are waiting to meet the engineer from that department to rectify the issue.
Otherwise, as far as rainy season preparation is concerned, everything is done.
See, as of now, we are doing as much. See, last year now everything went perfectly well, so we are hoping the same thing happens this year also. We've done as much as we can. The smart city also, we've opened up all of the road drains outside ETC and everything have all been opened up. So basically, we're trying to open up the majority of the network opposite Hindu Pharmacy. We've asked them to reconstitute those drains and connect those drains also. So as of now, everything seems to be in order.
So by when most of the places roads will be opened up?
See, everyone is, they're going to finish most of the work, like Sanjit has said, by May 31st.
Yeah.
Most of the reinstatement work will be done then. So we'll have to check and see. Any delay in projects will have to happen after monsoon.
Now today a statement also, another report, a statement has come saying that by 11 June of that Kakula road and all, as far as
there is
sewage issue.
Yeah, there is some delay in
Pipeline.
that pipeline thing also. That also hopefully will get resolved.
But
before monsoon.
finally you will, people will ask you as a mayor or something, because 30th May or 31st May the
No,
government
we
said.
have to respond as per the smart city deadlines. So there is some certain work that cannot be done during the monsoon work. There are a few lines of sewage that are still left, and the rest of the universal footpaths. So the main thoroughfare roads, 18 June Road, MG Road, all of that will happen only after the monsoon. So we are trying to get everything within.
But has the smart city at least informed you saying that not 30th May, some works will be delayed?
Sanjit is a better position to give you deadlines or any reshuffle in.
No, because finally people question the CCP or the
I
mayor.
understand, but now see, now we have to go as per the smart city deadlines and what they are telling us. Now, if they are telling us 31st, that's the same thing that we have to tell the public also. No, we cannot think. So if there are any extensions in the smart city, the MD should actually tell people forthright.
Any hiccups as far as preparation for rainy season? If you go to see the Pato area which was flooded due to the unseasonal rains, and so how that has been worked out? And
No, so our desilting teams are moving throughout the area also. We'll get everything done within the next, at least before June. By the end of May, everything should be ready from our side.
but if any flooding takes place due to smart city works, then how would you cope up?
You see now, we can't also. Now what we'll have to do is now basically we'll have to see like how last time we identified all the flood points also. We'll have to do the same thing. So as of now, we've taken up most of the most of the points where we thought there'd be a major issue. Now as and when we see problems, we'll have to inspect.
So
those
from the
sites and get
CCP
those sites.
side, you all are
We
prepared.
are okay from our side also. There's no issue with that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.